In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut to a folder on the network and put it on your desktop so that you can access it anytime. Some people call these shortcuts, some people call these aliases, some people call these mapping to the network drive. So first of all, you want to go to your Finder. And you open up a Finder window, and you're going to connect to the network drive to Judah. You go to the top here to the Go menu, go all the way to the bottom where it says Connect to Server. And then when the window comes up, Judah server, you can put in the word Judah, but we're going to use the IP address because that way you can use this over VPN. I am doing this from home over VPN, so this works from home as well. So you're going to put in smb://192.168.7.14. Then when you do that, hit connect, and that's going to connect you to the Judah server. Okay, so here's the box for Judah, and you can see all the folders. Well, you can map any one of these or make an alias and put it on your desktop. We're going to do the communications drive, so I'm going to hit OK. So here's communications. I don't really care about the drive, so I'm going to close this window. So now that I'm connected to the drive, you can see down here, I want to go up to the Finder Preferences, click on Preferences, and in the General tab, you want to go down to this box where it says Connected Servers. You want to click that. And what that does is it displays the server right here on your desktop. So you see how that appears when I click the box? Okay, so what I want to do then is I want to click once on this, right-click, and say Make Alias. So see, that made an alias to the communications drive. So now I'm going to come back over here and turn off Connected Servers. And now I have an alias on my desktop. The alias will remain on your desktop even when you're disconnected from the server. You can be at home or somewhere else with your laptop, and that'll stay there. And that way, when you come back into the office, you can double-click it, and it'll bring you right back to the communications drive. See how it popped up on the screen? Watch this. So I want to go to communications. I can double-click it, and there it is, right back on the screen. Okay, let's try another one. I want to connect to Commons. So I'm going to go back up to Go. I'm going to go to Connect to Server. And I'm going to go back to 14. It's going to pull up my dialog for me. And there's Commons. I'm going to click on it. And Commons just showed up. So remember, after this happens, you go up to Finder, Preferences, and you turn on the connected servers. So now I have two servers. But I want to make an alias for Commons. So I click once on it, right-click, say Make Alias. It puts the alias on the desktop, and then you come back over here and turn off connected servers. And the reason we turn off connected servers is because when you disconnect from the file server, it will take away all your icons on the desktop. The alias will stay here. That's the cool thing about the alias. So now, whenever I am on our network, whether I'm using VPN or if I'm in the office and I connect or double-click on Commons alias or communications, it brings me right to the drive. There we are. Here's communications. So I did this from home, so you should have no problem doing this inside the office or doing it at home as long as you've used VPN to connect. You can get a document on how to connect VPN in the Office Hub, and you can also get a document on how to connect to servers in the Office Hub.